Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna go over pretty much the trash that I've collected for the last 2 months. Just a bunch of skincare products, beauty products that I've already finished, and I kind of just want to review them, give you my thoughts on them, and whether or not I want to repurchase again. Alright, let's get to it. The first one that I pulled out right here is the Time Revolution Night Repair Bow Rabbit Ampule from Misha. I've been using this serum for the last 2 years. It's my go-to and it's covered in dust. Sorry about that. I've been storing it for quite some time now. This is a night serum that I use every day, and I find that it doesn't clog my skin or my pores. I don't wake up super oily the next day, and my favorite thing about this product is the anti-aging properties that it has, and also it has fermented ingredients as well. This I will definitely repurchase. Next item is a Secret Key Starting Treatment Essence in the Rose Gold edition. This one I got from YesStyle. I don't know if other websites sell it. I'll put a link at the bottom. This is a dupe for the Misha First Treatment Essence. It contains fermented yeast. I believe this one has a higher content and it's slightly cheaper than the Misha one. I really like this one. I've tried both and I prefer this one more. There's something about it. This one keeps my skin really plump and nice. I use it daytime and nighttime. This I will definitely repurchase. I also went through a jar of the Waterpik Moist Gel from the brand Chun Ni. This one was given to me by Mishibox in the monthly subscription. I really like this one. It kind of reminds me of the Cure, I think it's called the Balm, if I'm not mistaken. It's a gel moisturizer, and this one I like to use it in the morning. I will most likely repurchase this one again. I also finished Grey Melon Vintage, their foot butter, Heel and Elbow Balm. So this one, I'm already done with it. This is already kind of like the dry remnants of it. I really enjoy this product. I buy this one for myself and for my husband. We go through these a lot actually. But it really does keep your heels looking nice and moisturized. So I highly recommend this balm. Another item that I went through that I finished, the Mitsug Biyu Eki eyelash serum. I buy these in Japan every time I go. I finished this one, I believe 2 months ago, but I was using it on my eyebrows. Before that, I was actually using it on my lashes to help them grow, but I've been wearing lash extensions for over half a year now, so I don't need to use this anymore, but I do recommend it because it contains vitamins and like other properties to kind of help with your lash health. I really recommend this one, you guys. I'll put a link in the description box. Another item from Japan that I finished is the Real Lasting Eyeliner by K Palette. This is the brown one. I also have the black one too. They sell them in double packs in Japan. The only thing about this one that was kind of weird was that it's not as pigmented. I don't want to say it's watery, but the pigment is just not there. Some people like that. Most people don't. I personally don't really mind because I don't like to have like a bold eyeliner look. That's just not my thing. What I like about this one is that it's a brush instead of a felt tip, and it's really easy to apply. I will not be buying this again because I don't need to put eyeliner now that I have my lash extensions. Another item that I finished is the Chamo's Akasi Trouble Skin Solution Magic Powder. This is the kind of product that you use if you have like a whitehead or just acne problems. You just dip your Q-tip and apply it on the affected area. This is kind of like the Mario Badescu one. I've never used that one, but it's like a dupe for it. This one works really good. It's perfect if you have like a pop zit that you want to heal. This is really good. It burns, but it heals them right away. I will most likely not buy this again. I've already gone through 2 of these. I like them, but I've switched over to the CosRX pimple patches if I have any skin problems. I highly recommend this one because it really does heal and dry your acne. The item I went through was the Petite Gold Hydrogel Eye Patch. This one was really cool. These were really cool. They're individual eye gel patches that you put on. I didn't really see a huge difference with these. It contains 24 karat gold, ginseng, bird's nest collagen, rose flower water. I like to use these if I'm gonna go out and I had to do my makeup to kind of plump the area underneath my eye and kind of fill in like the little lines. It's good for that, but like long-term results, not so much. Will I rebuy it again? Most likely yes, because I do like it as a prep tool. Okay, so this is a favorite of mine. This is the Ordinary Niacinamide. I went through this really fast. I really love their niacinamide. If you're someone who suffers from dark spots post-acne healing, I highly recommend this. This brightens your skin, it kind of levels it out a little bit, and it gets rid of the dark pigmentation. It's really helped me with lightening some of the spots that I've had around my chin. I will definitely purchase this again. This is probably my 3rd bottle now. I also finished the Silky Fit Concealer BB. This is a whitening anti-wrinkle SPF 34 concealer, and it comes in a tube. This is probably the only thing I didn't like about the product, was the fact that it came in a tube. I didn't like the packaging, but this one is so good, you guys. I will most likely buy this again. The reason why I really like this concealer is because it contains sun protection. Most concealers don't contain anything like that. It's just a basic concealer and that's it. Okay, the last two, I didn't get to finish them because I couldn't, and I didn't even have them for that long. It's the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. This one is Central Perk and this one is Brady. I know these are favorites among a lot of people. I know a lot of people love these eyeshadows, but I really didn't like them. I store them correctly. They were never exposed to air. I try to tighten them as much as I could. I know the rules that come with these shadows, but they dried out on me in less than like 8 months, and it even cracked on me. Like this one just cracked on me. It just, oh, okay, so that just happened. Mind you, I haven't even been tossing these around or anything. They're just that dry and like they crumble. Color payoff is okay. I know you need the right brush for it, and I actually did end up buying the right brush for it. I have the ColourPop brushes to use these shadows, and in my opinion, they're not that great. And I know they're $5, and I shouldn't expect them to last like a year, but still, I mean, not even 8 months. It's kind of disappointing. I'm definitely not buying these again. Alright, so that was it. Thank you guys for watching me go through my trash that I've been holding on to for the last 2 months. Hopefully you find this helpful. I'll put all the links for the products in the description box, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!